What's up, everybody? It's another nature box that I'm not sponsored by, but I will give you an honest opinion about. So yeah, they just leave this on your front porch if you don't answer the door, like I tend to do. So you slice it, it opens out this way and that. There you go. You see all the snacks? It's on a little broken. So what do we get? What you got for me? What did I order? So they teamed up with the Old Navy. So that's cool. 40% off all activewear, June 11th to June 24th. That's cool. Snacks for all your party needs. Blah, blah, blah. Same thing as before. Reuse the box. Send free snacks to your buddies because you're a nice guy. Doesn't say how much they charge. Says deluxe package. I don't know what that means. We got mango almond bites. Again, we got these last time. Turns out that we actually really like these. And the last while, there's a lot in there. There's 1/3 of a cup, 4 servings per container, 150 calories. Pretty good. And for $5, can't get them same price at the store, but not as tasty. We'll stick with the bites. We also got the blueberry almond bites. Can't be that different from the mango, right? So that's pretty good. I actually want to try one of these salted caramel pops. So let's see what that tastes like. These are real easy to open sometimes. Yeah, you know, see? A little dry, but pretty tasty. Big Island pineapple. It's just pineapple circles. I wish they would chop those into cubes, because I'll show you. See, there's one piece, or maybe 1.5 piece. But then, here's the rest of it. So every time you want to get a piece of pineapple, you gotta peel it off. And if it was cubes, I don't think it'd be that bad. But it's really tasty. This one's one of my favorites, actually. And another one that I wanted was the mango orange fruit juice. 1 pouch, 5 per container. You know how I said that was easy to open? Not when you rip the whole thing off and it's still sealed. Well, you know what? Since they're in pouches, I'm just gonna stab it. There we go. So, there's 1 pouch. And there's 5 in there, which kind of seems a little disappointing. Or not that many, since 1 pouch is a serving. So that makes this pouch like $1 each. Cause yeah, it's about $5 a bag. Or no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little bit under $5. So there, those circles. Tastes orangey and mangoey, so there you go. I don't know if I'd order those again though. That seems kind of not worth the cash, but we'll see. Yeah, thanks for checking that out. Thumbs it up. If you like NatureBox or want to try it, check out their website, naturebox.com. I don't got a code for you because, again, I'm not sponsored. I just am a consumer. And I'm actually kind of liking their snacks. Some people I know or watch that do have codes are Lamar Wilson, Andre Meadows at Black Nerd Comedy has one, I think, sometimes at least. Tell them Steve Dave has one, and that's all I can think of off the top of my head. But yeah, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and thumbs it up and comment, all that stuff. Peace. I'm out of here.